I am almost 50. This is a journey that I am enjoying. I'm learning more about my body. I'm listening to my body. I'm aware of what I need to change. I am embracing it because this is part of life. I'm not going to neglect it. I'm not going to ignore it. I'm going to enjoy it. And in enjoying that, I want you to enjoy that journey with me. So I'm going to have a series called Almost 50. And that would be the new vlog series going forward. As I do this, I will incorporate my lifestyle, makeup, fashion, shopping, thrifting, speaking to others, whether it be, podcast form or just visually walking with them and just engaging in topics and conversation. We'll be going out and dining. We'll be enjoying our lives. We'll be doing Pilates. We'll be doing all kinds of stuff. And I'll be sharing my journey with you because I'm still learning. So if you have some advice in regards to vitamins, because I heard that primrose is good, or even things that I can do as you learn more of my life and my journey, feel free, comment below. Okay. And yeah, that's part of the change in the channel, and I'm embracing it. I'm good. It's like you know it, you say it, but now you're feeling it. And so now you gotta do it. So I am going through that process, and I love for you to join me during those days. All right. So I'll see you soon.